Hello, and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today, we're talking about absorbing energies. I'm not sure if you've seen my beach video. At the beach, there's so many energies flowing around, and you can absorb those energies and use it for your kinesises. Here, on the first look, it doesn't seem like there's many energies flowing around, but there is. As you can tell, I'm barefoot, but I'm not cold at all, because through the breathing technique, I can distance myself from the cold and keep my body temperature up. It's very easy, actually. You should try that one time. So, I'm using this cold here to compensate, and I try to get my body temperature up through the cold. So I'm absorbing the cold, the energy, to get my body temperature up. So, and I do that all through the telekinesis breathing technique. So, when you are in the cold like this, try to do that. Take your shoes off, take your socks off, and absorb this beautiful nature. In this video, I wanna show that there's always beautiful energies around us. Sometimes you don't even have to look far. It's all there. So I want you to appreciate the little things. This is so beautiful and cold. I don't know if you've seen my Cryokinesis video. There I'm trying to teach you how to do telekinesis on ice. But out here you can do all kinds of kinesises. But the best lecture, the best thing to teach you is that you can distance yourself from the cold and heat up your body. So it's a great place to learn Pyrokinesis. So, for you, you guys are from very different countries, and whether it's cold or hot, I want you to take advantage of it, because there's many human beings which don't have what you have. So I want you to appreciate it. Like me, I appreciate the cold, and I love the cold, and I love this planet. And I hope you can start to appreciate those little things too one day, because appreciation is a very important lesson to learn if you want to learn telekinesis. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.